Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix invalid Google to FA code in Bybit. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to fix the issue, first what you can do is sync the time on your phone. iOS syncs time automatically, but make sure date and time is set automatically. Then you should use the correct to FA app and account. Ensure using the Google Authenticator app linked to your Bybit account. Don't use backup codes as a login code. Then enter the code quickly, and sometimes a quick restart also can fix issues. And you can also reinstall Google Authenticator and reset up to FA if needed. Only do this if you have your Bybit to FA backup key saved, and remove the account in Google Authenticator and re-add Bybit to FA with your backup key. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.